Here we are at Canaveral National Seashore, Merritt Island National Wildlife Center. We're at WSEG boat ramp. I haven't had a kayak out or my boat since early August. I went on a road trip, but here I am. This is like my third video from here, but this place is great. It's worth it. It's too late for sunrise. I'm running at least a half an hour late, but here you go. There's my rig. And that's where I'm going to be fishing. Out this way to the left up here, about a mile up, and off those clinker islands for some trout. Buddy was here not too long ago and ran into a school of reds he said was probably 200 strong. Caught 7. And I'm going to see if I can't get a little bit of that action. So hang in there with me. Let's see how this goes. Okay, well, we're off. I just launched. There's the launch right there. A lot of mullet action over in here. It's supposed to be an absolutely beautiful morning. I think around 8 or 9 o'clock they're predicting a dead calm, and it's 7:30 right now and it's a dead calm. Sun's at my back. I love how it reflects off the trees, gives you that contrast. It's beautiful. If I had my camera with me, I'd take a picture of that. All right, guys, I'll bring you back on board when I got something to show you. Popping cork. Love these things. Had more success with these early morning bite than anything else I've ever used. This is all mullet. There's all mullet jumping around in here. Not all of it. Every now and then you'll see a big wake, something pushing water that's too big to be a mullet. Those are probably big trout, maybe some reds. They're in here. I keep seeing something really big, like right in through here, moving around. My strategy is maybe if I throw this chug bug out there enough, it'll irritate him and he'll eat it. I honestly think a third of fishing is skill, a third is luck, and a third is timing. And timing and luck are probably the same thing. I think I caught the very last of the morning bite here. Move this thing around a little bit. Pretty shallow here. Little trout, I think. Yeah, he's putting up a fight. Might be bigger than I thought he was. Yep, got me a little trout. Look at that guy. All right. I'll tell you what. I'll bring you back after I get rid of him. But he's nice. He ain't legal. They got to be 15 inches. He's probably around 13. But he's a pretty fish. Skunks out of the blue line and a shrimp. Hoping it ain't a catfish. Yeah, I'm afraid it's a catfish. Yeah, now I got something that I think is a red. He's fighting me straight back. Yeah, he's fighting like a red. It is a red. Yeah, it's a little red, man. Look at that. Not a keeper or nothing. Oh fuck, I got my other line. Man, he swallowed the hook too. I hate that, man. I'm gonna let him have it. Yeah. It'll hurt him more to take it out than just leave it in there. Kind of like going to the dentist, huh? All right. Day was not a loss. I reached down in and got it because I wanted to get that piece of lead bat out, lead split shot, because that lead would kill him.